It's made for the road. Other electronic bikes, it has all the features.
Chasing summer highs, overdrive, kissing in the backseat. When you ask me, are we out of time? I'm a simple mind, and all good things come to an end. It's like I'm stuck in the moment, don't wanna get older, but I know I gotta let you go.
Okay, so it comes like this, everything well packed. Let's unpack it. Okay, so the front wheel is on, is the only one you need to put yourself. The one in the back is attached already. Let's go with the handle. The only confusing moment was when I tried to set up the push throttle and I didn't know where to connect it. But then I realized that it goes with all the other cables. Plugged it in the one that is missing, and mission complete. Okay, the bike is ready to rumble. We have these to put on each wheel, but I think that it looks really nice like this. I'm not gonna put these, but you know, for the people who doesn't want to get dirty, we have these as well. The battery is pretty easy to unplug from the bike with the lock key. To charge it, you have the port right there in top, but if you don't live in Europe, you will need an adapter like this, for example, for UK, where I live, or US, or any other that is not European. Red means that is charging, green that is not charging. To fully charge it, it takes around 4 to 6 hours. That was easy, now let's try it out. This is the DYU T1 electric bike with pedal assist torque. It's foldable and it's made out of one piece of magnesium alloy material. This bike is obviously not made for off-road. It's made for the road, to go to work, to take the roads for the bike roads around the city and all that. It's really small and compact, versatile with the foldable feature. And yeah, Looking at the wheels, you obviously can't tell that it's not for off-road. Let's start by talking about its power. It has a 250 watts battery with a limit speed of 25 kilometers per hour, assisted by torque. What this means is that the more you pedal, the more it assists you pedaling. So it makes pedaling really easy. It's a 50-50 basically. You put 50 of your pedaling and then the bike gives you another extra 50 to make it easier. But it also, as I said before, it has this push throttle that is really easy just because you don't need even to pedal. You just press the button and the bike runs by itself. To turn it on, you just need to press this green button right here on the left handle for about 4 seconds. There you go. You have 3 lights right here that shows you the battery you have. I have right now the half of it, just 2 of them, and there's a 3rd one on the top. If you press 1 time, it turns on the front light, which on 9 time, it helps a lot to see what's in front of you. In addition, there is a reflector under the light that helps the cars to see you from the front. The brakes are a cable pull mechanism with mechanical disc brakes. The handles are really stable, they don't move, they don't come out. That's a really big plus right there. Moving to the back, we have the gears right here. They have 7 different levels that you can regulate right here on the right side of your handle. I really like that they have these protections to protect the gears and everything in between, right? Each of the wheels also have these reflectors right here. The seat itself is adjustable. Whoa, that was tight. It's adjustable, you can go all the way down and you can go all the way up. One of the biggest features for this bike is that it's foldable. To unfold it, we have this lock here on the side and we need to push and unlock. And with the help of the knee, we need to push in the middle and just fold it like that. Bam. We can take out the seat as well. We can fold the pedals as well, put it on finger inside here and just pressing toward us and flipping it the way we want to go. Same with the other one, and we can fold the handle as well. So this bike's weight is around 22.5 kilograms. It's not too light, it's not too heavy in my opinion. We turn it around to put the handle looking to the top and just bam. To unfold it is the same process. We just take the one side and click it in with help of the knee right there and lock. Then we take the handle, we put it back up, whoop, we put it back up and lock it. We put back the pedals as well in position. We're missing the seat. We put the seat in, lock it, and ready to go. Like and subscribe. It's not that quick when you're sitting on it, but if you're not sitting and you press it by mistake, the bike just goes flying. But yep, here we have it. The power goes constant until hitting 25 kilometers per hour. You can move really comfortable, really solid with this bike. Just test the brakes on. Boom. That was all right. Let's switch the gears. They switch instantly. Yep, there it is. Yeah, no struggle changing the gears on this bike. Okay, you shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna go on the grass with this bike just to test it out if it's really not for outdoor or anything. But yeah, I'm just curious. So let's do it. Boom. Hey, it's not that bad. Let's put the auto push throttle. Yo. Hey, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay. I wouldn't do that again, but like if you need to pass a part of your trip through grass like this or something, there's no problem at all. I've been going through hills this entire week with this bike, and I want to show you how easy it is to go up the hill with the T1 from DYU. I'm on a third gear with the pedal assist, and check this out. Nothing. It's super easy. I didn't even feel, I mean, I feel at the start that I pedal to just start, but once I start, it's a third gear. I feel like it's the first. But yeah, here we go. And if we activate the push throttle, I just go like this. Super fun, this bike. Had no issues for the last week. Really enjoying the bike. It has nothing to be jealous of from other brands, other electronic bikes. It has all the features: pedal assist, push throttle, and the biggest feature is that it's foldable. I love that it's foldable because it takes so small spaces. Anyways, thanks for watching.